Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called n-array tree pre-order traversal. Let's read it. Given the root of an n-array tree, return the pre-order traversal of its node's value. N-array tree input serialization is represented in their level order traversal. Each group of children is separated by the null value. For example, in example 1 we have a tree of 1, 3, 2, then 4, then 5, then 6, and the output which has been given is of 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, 4. So first let's just understand what is a pre-order traversal. So in pre-order traversal, 1 minute, sorry. So let's just say what is pre-order traversal. Pre-order, it is when we have a tree which is having a root. These are the child. So in this tree we have a traversal. So the pre-order traversal, in which we have to first visit the let's call it 1, 2 and 3. So in pre-order traversal I visit the 1 first, then 2, then 3, which means I visit the middle node first, then left, then right. Alright, so this is what we have to do in pre-order traversal. Now in this sum we first need to, we have an example which has been given to us, and we have to see what are the pre-order traversals possible. So let's get back to the question. In that question we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now in this we have to identify the pre-order traversal. Alright, so here the pre-order traversal would be, first we go to the middle node, alright, which gives us the answer 1. Then we go to the left part of it, which is 3, which gives the answer 3. Then we go to the left part of 3. Alright, we go to the left part of 3, which is 5, which gives us the answer 5. Then we go to the left part of 5, which is not there. So we come back and we go to the right part of 5, which is also not there. Then we go to the right part of 6, right part of 3, which is there. So therefore we print 6 here. Then we come back to 1. 1 also has another node which is 2, so which is the right part as well. So we go to the right part 2. Now we go to the left part and right part of 2, which is not present, right? And then we go to the right part of 1, extreme right part of 1, and we print 4. And we go to the left and right child of 4, which is null, and therefore we just stop the pre-order traversal there. Alright, so in another example which has been given, let's try to solve it. Let's try to draw it and I'll tell you how to do this one. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6, we have 7, we have 11, and we have 14. Then we have 4, then we have 8, and then we have 12. Then we have 5, and then 9, and then 13. Then we have 10. Now in this tree what we'll do is, first we will go to the root node, which is 1, therefore we print 1. Then we go to the left child, which is 2, and therefore we print 2. Then we go to the left child here and the right child, which is null, and therefore we go back to 1. Now 1 also has a child here, so we print 3. Now we go to the left and the right of 3, to the left of the 3 first, so we print 6. We don't have anything here, So we return, and we return back here. Now 3. 3 has a right child 7, and therefore we print 7. Now we go to the left side of 7, which is nothing, and we come to 11. 11 we print. Then we go to the left side of 11, nothing is there. Then we come to 14. Now it goes back and back and back and back again to 1. Now 1 has a child called 4, therefore we print 4. We check its left child, there is nothing, therefore we come to 8. Then we print 8. We check left child of 8, nothing, then we print 12. Then we come back and come back and back. Now we go to 5. We print 5. We have nothing on the left. We have something on the left, 9, sorry. Therefore we print 9. Now we go to the left of 9, which is 13. We print 13. Now we have nothing here, nothing here. Therefore we go back. 5 has a right child, 10, and therefore we print 10. And that is the pre-order traversal for us. So we check it: 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 14, 4, 8, 12, 5, 9, 13, 10. So this matches to the answer here. Now let's just go to the code part, and I'll explain how it can be done from here. Hi guys, so let's code the part what I explained just now. So first we'll be solving it by recursion. I'll be just making a private vector int where I'll be storing the results, which is in pre-order traversal. Now we call the function called pre-order recursive, where we will pass root, and then we will return result here. All right, now let's go to the pre-order recursive where we have to add the spice to the code. So first we do void pre-order recursive node star root, and so first we have to check if root is equal to null pointer, we return. Otherwise we do result dot push underscore back roots value. Then we do die is equal to 0, I is less than roots children. We have root children dot size. So children is a vector here which has been given. We have to know the size of it, a plus plus, and we have to call pre-order recursive till the time we see complete all visit all the children which a particular node has. So for that we just pass root children. Fine. All right, now this should give us the answer. Let's just run the code. Yeah, that works. Now this was a recursive solution. Let's try to solve it by iteration. So we have result, we have everything in place. So we create a stack as like we do in all the pre-order traversals. We do st and st dot push. We push the root first, and then while st dot empty is equal to false. So till the time it is false, till the time stack is false, till that time we first we create a node called node. Let's just name it node, and it should be equal to the top element which is on stack. Then we do pop for the stack, which is on the top element, and we basically, okay, first we have to, just change this also. So we push result dot push underscore back uh, st oh sorry nodes value. We push it into it, and then we run a loop. Why do we run a loop? Because we have to store the children's as well of the particular node that we are on. So I is equal to uh, nodes dot dot size minus 1, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, and we do st dot push uh, nodes children of I, and this will basically do the iteration for every children a node has, and we'll get it pushed into the result as in we hit a condition, and that will give us the answer in pre-order traversal. So let's run the code. Yeah, that works. We have to check the condition also for if root is equal to the null pointer, we return result, empty result. All right, so I hope you guys understood the problem today. Um, and I tried to visually represent how the pre-order traversal would be done. So do watch it. Thank you.